And we're green out of 4 with a great run. Cashton Denton for the lead, got around Jim early. As Jim running second, here comes a 20 RB of Ricky Bledsaw on the tail of Wasserman. Got into the rear bumper there. Bledsaw went way up the track as a result of it. And it looks like Kevin Wasserman may have the front of his nose dangling on the back there. Your leader, you can see it. It may have come off the 20 RB of Ricky Bledsaw as he goes around, as well as Jarvis. But I'm pretty sure. Here we go. We'll try it again. Complete restart here. Oh, Jim will lead us. But once again, KD Cashton Denton with a great run going into 1 and 2. But Jim on the inside will now lead us down the back straightaway. Ricky Bledsaw quickly back up to the 5th spot, running his way back up through the field. This will be fun, challenging. Brandon Jarvis on the inside. Bledsaw working for the 4th spot, side by side into 1 and 2. Now he's going to try it 3 wide, maybe. Nope, falls back. Going to try to go underneath him now. Down the back straightaway, going to the inside of KD. And they go side by side, kind of moves him up out of the way there. Bledsaw on a hard charge to the front. Now going to try to work the number 10 of BJ, Brandon Jarvis. Down the back straightaway, Bledsaw. You can see the inner hood really kind of flying away there. Left side piece, body work with the nose piece gone. Right on the tail bumper. And around goes Aaron Keene right in front of BJ. BJ collects. Lights vanish. We'll go green here out of 4 with 4 laps remaining for Jim. Keep an eye on the 20 RB. Let's see if he's got anything in the magic trick book to get around old Jim. He's going to try to go on the outer lane, dive it to the inside, out of 2, down the back straightaway. Jim running strong on the lead. Bledsaw going to try to cross him up out of 4. Didn't stick out for him halfway now. Jim doing all he can to try to stay as your leader. Bledsaw right there now. Wasserman and KD got into the doors, and now we got one stopped at the bottom of 2. He's going to limp his way to the infield so he can stay green with 2 to go. Jim getting away from the 20 RB of Bledsaw. Got about 2 car lengths in between separating. And it looks like 20 RB problems yet again this week as he's off to a slow halt. You can see him pounding the steering wheel. Problems yet again for 2 weeks in a row for the 20 RB. As he'll call it quits in heat number 1. Jim Keene leading down the back straightaway for the final time and out of 4. Oh, Jim, get her done. Heat 1 winner, followed by Cashton Denton, Kevin Wasserman, Aaron Keene, and Chris Yandell. For Vetbox Containers, factory stocks, heat race number 1. A wild one, to say the least. As he comes around the front straightaway, give it up for the J4. Oh, Jim. Able to hold on and Brian got his eyes set to him, and we're green. And quickly trouble for the 77S as they go 3 wide down the back, shoot for second. The 77S of Randall Sessions fell back there. And trouble for the 75 goes way up, and 3 and 4, and he's going to park it there. And here we go. We shall try it one more time. Derek Arnett sets the field as the 41. Not a grand start there from Sean Brownlee. Went really sideways, and around goes the 77S at the bottom of 2. That's Randall Sessions. And he's going to save it. We stay green. For the lead, Derek Arnett and the 21H, it looks like, of Jaron 6. 21C of Matt Collins. Collins to the inside of Arnett. They're door to door into 3 and 4. Collins has the advantage. Puts a slide to him out of 4. Now to the lead. And Randall Sessions again in turn 2. But the leaders are there. He's going to trickle in. Oh, around goes Derek Arnett. Turn 2 is not the place to be tonight as Randall Sessions stays parked there. Derek Arnett 360'd, and we're going to go yellow for the 77S of Randall Sessions. All righty, here we go. 3 down, 3 to go, and we're back green. Matt Collins with a great restart to the lead. Sean Brownlee going to try to go inside for the 4th spot, and he got around the 21H of Jaron 6. Now he's going to try get underneath the number 3 of Clayton Roberts for 3rd. Roberts with a greater run down the front straightaway into 1 and 2. Brownlee trying the bottom. Roberts diamond it off out of 2. White flag one more time around for the 21C of Matt Collins. Sean Brownlee with the Hail Mary on the bottom out of 4 of Clayton Roberts. Not quite worked out for him. Down the back straightaway for the final time. And checkered flag for the 21C of Matt Collins. Second will go to Derek Arnett in the 9, and for 3rd out of 4 will go to Clayton Roberts, Sean Brownlee, and then the 21H of Jaron 6. Well, give it up for the 21C of Matt Collins. He started all the way at the tail of the field. And your Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks Heat Race number 2 winner.